Hello guys, welcome back. This is a small sample of random data. This table contains two columns. The first is customer name and second is the revenue. Let's enlarge the sheet to make it easier and clearer. I think now it's clearer. The first step we need to do is, please, before we start, for your information, it's gonna be the same steps when we apply the Pareto analysis using Python, SQL, and DAX Studio as well. It will be the same steps. So please focus on these steps. The first step is to sort the revenue columns, to select this value and sort it based on the highest revenue. Sort largest to smallest. Yes, please expand the selection. Or we can also sort it from the home tab here, drop it down and select sort largest to smallest. The second step, we need to calculate the total revenue. From here, we can use auto sum from home tab as well. Yes. And insert a new column for index. Can make it smaller. Okay, and insert a new column also for nodes. And we need the third step, we need to calculate the total number of customer. Using count formula. From here until here. Close the bracket. Yes, we can make some format here to make it clearer. And here as well. Bold, border, bold. Okay. The third step, we need to calculate the cumulative revenue. We can copy format. So what does it mean, term cumulative? It means we are gonna use the first value as it is. The second value will be added to the first. The third will be added to the second and the first. The fourth will be added to the third, second, and first, and so on until the end of the column. It means the last value or last cell in the cumulative revenue column should be equal to the total revenue. If it's not equal to the total revenue, it means something is wrong in the formula. So let's do it. Plus second plus first, and drag it down until the end. So as we see here, the last cell is equal to the total revenue. It means our formula is correct. And then we need to calculate the cumulative for each customer, percentage, index divided with the total. And we need here to freeze the total, F4 to absolute, or $sign before the row and before the column, and convert it to percentage in the home tab and drag it down until the end. And the last cell should be 100%, means our formula is correct. And insert a new column for the cumulative revenue percentage. The cumulative revenue divided with the total revenue, as we see here. We can make it smaller And with the total revenue, we need to freeze it as well, F4 to absolute, and convert it to percentage, and drop it down until the end. And as we see, the last cell, the last value equal to 100%. Now, Pareto analysis is completed. And as we see in our table here, there are 4 customers account for 80% of revenue. It means 4 customers makes up the majority of revenue. And this is called in Pareto analysis vital few. Let's write it here. Center it. And the remaining of customers is called in Pareto analysis as trivial many. And I disagree with this term in this case, because no one deserves to call as trivial because of a low number of sales. We can call them as least productive customer or least contributive customer. Least productive customer. Center it. Wrap text. Make it wider. As we can see, guys, here this number 154,450 represent the 80% of the total revenue. This number represent 80% of this number. We can add a new column for Pareto analysis or Pareto observation. Using F formula, select this cell. If it's less than or equal to 0.8 means 80%, right? Within 80% of revenue, close double quotation. Otherwise, right outside 80% of revenue. Close double quotation, close bracket. Yes, please. And drag it down until the end. As we see, guys, here, 4 customers as well within 80% of revenue. Now we need to visualize, and it will be easier. Visualize the Pareto analysis. Select the first column here, and second revenue, and third cumulative revenue percentage. From ribbon, insert chart, first one here. We cannot see here the cumulative revenue percentage, so we are gonna change it from bar to line. So click here, change chart type. As we see here, cumulative revenue percentage. We'll change it to line. Don't forget to press here, click, and OK. Done. Here is the visualization of Pareto analysis. We can make more to make it more clearer. Insert shape and an arrow from here to here, and another shape as well. So here are the most important clients we should focus on. If we want to improve our business and increase their revenue, we have to give them special care, special contact, and provide special offers, because they are the most important customer and they are the vital few. Now we have already finished the Pareto analysis using Excel and visualize it. In the upcoming episode, we are gonna apply it using DAX Studio, visualize it with Power BI, and applying it as well using SQL and Python. Kindly please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and avoid missing the upcoming video. Thank you guys, and see you soon.